How to link bank account with Cash App. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So what you may do is open up the Cash App application. For that, open it up and go to your profile in the top right corner to open up a different menu, different options. So scroll through the options and you can look out for the option directly called linked banks from the menu and tap on it and open it up where you can link your debit card. So just go ahead and tap on it and you will be finding this section right here where you can link your bank as well once your debit card is added. So just go ahead and tap on link bank and you can just go ahead and continue the process. Tap on continue. And once it is done, you can select your institution, your bank, you can search it up. And once it is done, you can authenticate it with the particular bank. Tap on login and confirm the login and follow the process. And that way you can basically go ahead and link your bank account to Cash App. So that is it for today's video. You may also follow the same process if you'd like to do so. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.